Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. How we all doing today? Happy Wednesday. Good morning, everybody. What's up, Tushar? What's up, Robert? What's up, Future Trades? What's up, Alex? What's up, Beyond Limits? What's up, Marcus? Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon, wherever you are. Good morning, Money Dash. Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, my dudes. It's Wednesday. Hey, what up, Alex? What's up, PTG? What's up, everybody? Oh, yes. Yeah, we're back. We're back. 9 a.m. PST. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good morning, Salim. Good morning, everybody. Yes. Yeah, we had CPI this morning. Kind of tricky reversals right here. What's up, Jasmine? Yeah, Alex, kind of very tricky this morning. Yeah. I think a lot of fake outs. This is CPI. And we haven't moved much. We're kind of just back in the range right here. Nothing crazy. Well, at least it worked out in your favor, Jasmine. That's good. Dude, I don't really go on tilt, but I go on tilt like when my Tradovate, because one time it like froze, and I was in a live trade and I couldn't exit or move my stop or anything. I was like, dude, what's going on? And I'm trying to get out. Luckily, it locked me out in profit, but it was challenges, so I was like, okay, but still, I was very annoyed when I was like in the live trade. I was like, dude, come on, Tradovate. I was like getting tilted. Yeah. Hey, that's a win. At least you're up in profit. Hey, anti-man. Good job. 4 grand. Great job. What's up, aspiring trader? Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias. At the moment, I like shorts at the moment, taking a short. But we'll see, because right now it could form a bottom and just bounce right here. And yeah, just gonna be cautious about that. Champions. Are you with me, champions? Dun, 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 dun. Alright. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe it makes a new low. Yeah, it sucks you lost them, Alex, but I mean, you got 7 grand in payouts, so that's a win. That'll cover a lot of the expenses and some. And if you just got flipped for the other 150k eval, yeah, that'll be good. You can get it tomorrow or something. So, not bad, Alex. Yeah, 9 a.m. PST, man. Man. Yeah, man. Anti-man. 9 a.m. PST. Maybe we'll start. I want to try a market open. I definitely would have to get used to the time, because I would have to wake up at like 5:45 a.m. So that'll give me like 20-30 minutes to wake up and get ready, then start the stream at 6:15 a.m. 15 minutes before market open. So I would have to get used to that, yeah. But we did have a daylight saving, so we lost an hour. So technically, if I wake up at 6:45, I'm already used to waking up at 5:45. You know? Hey. We're on to something here. Nice, Alex. Call it a day, too, Char, especially on CPI, bro. I mean, dude, you're up $1,600 and $700 on those accounts. You're green. If you guys are up on the day, even if you're down on the day and you're like constantly questioning yourself if you should take more trades, more than likely or not, you should just call it a day. Because Imagine you lost all those profits and more. I guarantee you, you'd be pretty tilted. You'd be pretty upset with yourself. Yeah, PTG, maybe sooner. Yeah, maybe like market open or something. Yeah. Stream for like 3-4 hours. Because I'm used to streaming for the 2.5 hours. So I could definitely do a 3-hour stream. 4-hour, maybe I have to get used to that. Damn. Damn, Tommy, you got 10 racks after the profit split. Great job, Tommy. Great freaking job. Tommy, you've been killing it, bro. You've been killing it. Tommy, you just scalp, yeah? You just scalp? You don't look for like big trades? Like how much do you like look for on points? Yeah, Tommy, you're blessed, brother. Good job, man. I'm proud of you. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you're up and you're questioning whether to keep trading, you should probably just stop, yeah. Thank you, Tishar. Yeah, I'm glad that these live streams are helping you guys as well. We're all growing together as a community. I love that. Yeah, you guys are messaging me on like Instagram and stuff that like these live streams and videos are helping, so it really means a lot. So thank you guys. Hey, what's up, Gabriel? Nice. Yeah, you guys are all eating. Let's go. You're all getting payouts. I love to see that. Let's go, Gabriel. Yeah, next week, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep stacking. Get those payouts. Good job, Gabriel. Oh, you don't have it beyond limits? I thought it was everywhere. I thought it was everywhere. Daylight saving. Yeah, we lost an hour in California. I think on Sunday. Something like that. Yeah, not bad, Jacob. Good job, man. Yeah, live account, $70, 1 micro. That's great discipline, Jacob. Yeah, Jacob, see, and then you grow as a trader by just slowly scaling. Like, hey, next you go to 2 micros, and then, yeah, you go from there. So, good risk management, Jacob. Yeah, you guys start out slow, yeah. Tushar, yeah. Micro man. The best micro man in the game. Nice, Tommy. I like that. Yeah, Tommy, it's nice because the Tradeify and TopStep are end of day accounts. So if you get stopped out at break even, you didn't lose anything. So I like that, Tommy. Yeah, like on my winners, like I'll just set my stops in place and stuff. But my winners, yeah, I try to move them to break even and in profit or trim on the way up or down, or whatever. What's up, Vlad? No trades yet today. Yet. Keyword yet. Dude, it's kind of bouncing right here. At the low. Seems so sketch taking it long here, though. Nice, Vlad. Hey, that'd be a great way to end the week, Vlad. Just one winning day and you get a 2-rack payout. Dude, let's go. Dude, everyone's eating. Let's go. We're all eating. Yeah, Jacob. Yeah, I hate the evals, honestly. I don't like the evaluation stage. It's time you're not getting paid and you just want to get it done. Because I want to get the evals done quick and get my funded account. And then, like, yeah, trade the funded account more serious. Because, yeah, and you do blow accounts when you, like, do that. I just do the same setups on the good setups on the eval, just more size. But, yeah, I don't like evals, honestly. They're very annoying. Yeah, Alex, we got to catch the whales. We're fishing for the whales. Stab long, yeah. Yeah, we got to take a stab, guys. Yeah, it's kind of bouncing. Yeah, it is bouncing right here. Yeah, end of day is very nice. Because if you get stopped out at break even, you didn't lose anything. Where if it's trailing drawdown, you lose money. Oh yeah, all you can eat, dude. All you can eat. Everyone's all you can eat buffet. We got an all you can eat buffet with those payouts, guys. Yeah, bro, you guys get a nice payout. Yeah, treat yourself. Get like a nice dinner. You gotta reward your hard work. Yeah, Tushar. That's why I like the 1-day pass evals, because you can try to get it done with. But then, yeah, you will blow up evals doing that. But yeah, it's nice to have the 1-day pass, because I don't like spending time into evals. Like 1 week is... I try to get it done within a week. 2 weeks, like, I gotta get done. But, like, if I'm in an eval for 2 weeks and I'm, like, halfway or close, I'm still taking my time. I'm not going to try and force it because I still have 2 weeks to the rebuild. So, if I'm, like, 2 weeks in and I'm, like, halfway or something, I'll take my time. It depends. It literally depends. But I try to be done within 1 to 2 weeks. Because, like, yeah, even 2 weeks, I mean, that's, like, 2 weeks you're not getting paid. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, take it slow. Yeah, I don't like the evals either. But that 150K account, Alex, if you keep doing good with it and get payouts once it's funded, yeah, you can fund your other accounts. Yeah, I like that. Using your profits that you withdraw. It's like a business. What's up, Isaac? What's up, brother? Yeah, you're either gonna blow them or you're gonna win them. No in between with a 1-day pass. No in between. Yeah, Tommy, yeah. 9 funded is good, bro. Yeah. Dude, we've been seeing a lot of chop recently. Even on CPI, like, it's not the best price action for our CPI. Bear? Who's Jason DeWeen? Who's that? Yeah, Gabriel, yeah. Well, like, yeah, if you guys are getting, like, 2, 5, 10 grand payouts, and, like, you keep your funded accounts alive and you're doing well with them, and then, like, you use that payout money to buy, like, other accounts to then try to scale if you really want to, or you could just not buy anymore and just continue trading the same funded accounts. I mean, it's good. You can just keep getting payouts with it. So, that's only if you want to scale your business. Yeah, Alex, you gotta get your lick back, brother. Yeah, gotta get your lick back. Yeah. We are not buying the pro account resets. Especially with TakeProfitTrader. No, that's way too expensive. Way too expensive. We gotta go back to the gulag, guys. Thank you, David. Yeah, thank you guys for liking and subscribing. It means a lot. Make sure you guys like the streams, boost the algorithm so we can grow the streams. We're averaging like 90, 100 viewers a stream, which I'm very blessed. So thank you guys for watching, as always. Yeah, we're averaging around like 90, 100. At our peak, we'll get like 120. My highest at the beginning of the year was like 160, 170. But then we never got back to there. But it's okay. That's a lot of people, actually. Imagine, guys, imagine 100 people in a room. That's a lot of people, if you think about it. That's why when I see some of these other streamers with like 1,000, 2,000 people watching, I'm like, damn, that's a lot of people. Imagine 1,000 people in a room. That's a lot of people. Tushar, I think it's only with prop firms that's Tradovate prop. So like TakeProfitTrader has it is Tradovate prop. Some other prop firms. But yeah, some other prop firms are not Tradovate prop. So it depends on the prop firm, Tushar. Yeah, Alex, way too expensive. Yeah, $650 reset for the 50K account. And then the 150K account is $1,500. $1,500. That is crazy. You could buy so many evals with that. Yeah, Triple Four. It's a very tricky day. A lot of people got chopped up or they won. But it's kind of choppy today, man. Yeah, Tommy, even if you lost that account, man, who cares, bro? You got like 10 racks in payouts this week alone. Tommy, you're up a lot this year, brother. So, no reason to be upset. It's a great day, Tommy. Great day. Any day is a great day. Hey, Trip 4, if you still ended the day up $200, yeah, it's not that much, but hey, that's better than a loss in the day. So that's still a win, especially on a day like today. Thank you, PGG. Yeah, drop some likes, guys. We're live streaming Monday through Friday for free. Oh, nice, Vlad. Thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, I started live streaming for the first time in January. Yeah, January. Yeah, we started live streaming for the first time, guys, in January. That's pretty good. Tushar, I don't know if Apex has Tradovate. I'm not sure. You'd probably have to check with them. Moe, no. Triple one, Moe, 111. No, you cannot copy trade on TradingView. You need like a third-party service like Tradesyncer. It'd have the TradingView account as your lead account. But you can't copy trade like that on TradingView. Hey, green is green, man. That's a stake per account. 444. That's a stake per account. $40. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, the 5 days. Yeah, also the 5 days on like the funded account. Like a lot of people can't get 5 winning days. It's like hard. Like a lot of people get like do really good on 1 or 2 days, but then they would like fumble the bag and go on tilt. So it depends on your trading style. If you guys blow accounts a lot, like really easily, especially in a funded account, then I recommend like a daily payout prop firm where if you're anything above the buffer, you can just withdraw. Because the 5 day winning days, some people can't trade them, and it's just hard for them to get winning days. They'll have like 1 or 2 good days, but then yeah, they just go on tilt and blow the account. So it depends on you and your trading style. That's why I like prop firms, guys. There's different prop firms with different rules that fits your criteria. Nate, maybe they're not Tradovate prop. Do you guys know if Apex is Tradovate prop? Peace out, Tushar. Have a good one, brother. Yeah, you can just click that X in the upper right-hand corner, guys, and call it a day. It's easier said than done, but hey, a lot of your problems, guys, is literally hitting this X right in the corner. It takes 1 second to do, but it's so hard to do. Literally just hitting that X and walking away. Guys, you gotta accept the loss. Like yesterday, guys, I took 2 trades. Down 550. Yeah, down 550. I was like, nah, I'm not messing with today. Then I went to the eval. I lost on that accounts. I'm like, nah, I'm done. Like, nah, I am not messing with this price action today. And guys, you just live and you learn. Exactly, 444. When you guys see with the pro account, the funded account reset, what are they doing? They're preying on your emotion, guys. So like, guess what happens when you blow an account? Especially your funded. You go on tilt, you're annoyed, you're pissed off, you're angry. Oh, I just want my funded account back. Let me just reset it for $650. It's like, dude, no. Because now when you reset that pro account, now you're already tilted emotionally trading. Now you're like, okay, now I got to get my money back. I got to make $2,700 today so I can pay for the eval and cross the buffer. And then guess what? You go on tilt again, and then you blow the funded account reset, so you just lost $650 when you couldn't have. So guys, in my opinion, don't reset the funded accounts. It's way too expensive, and then you're already emotionally tilted. You just gotta go through the gulag phase again and go through the evals. It'll save you in the long run. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Apex is not Tradovate prop, so there's no manual lockout on the Tradovate. I mean, yeah, on the Tradovate Apex. Thank you. Nice, Dave. Traders for life, yeah. You gotta make a champion out of him, man. Yeah, just literally A plus setup, trade micros, traders for life. And literally like trade like, hey, this is your last account. Like have that mindset like, hey, I gotta make these trades count, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Tushar, yeah, instead of hitting that X, we congregate over here and we look for the buy and sell orders. Yeah, John, that's the hardest thing, guys, is literally just walking away. It's so easy and simple, but in the moment it's so hard to just walk away. Yeah, that's a lot of things traders struggle with, man. No, yeah, you can use Tradovate with Apex, but I don't think they have the lockout feature because it's not a Tradovate prop. Only some prop firms are Tradovate prop. I think Tradeify is. I'm not sure. Yeah, guys. Guys, imagine this. One TakeProfitTrader Pro account reset is $650. You can buy 6.5 evals, 6.5 50K accounts with that price. So you can get a whole new max set of funded for cheaper if you pass on your first try, obviously. And yeah, just take it slow. Because if you reset 5 pro accounts, that would be literally $3,250. That's a lot. That's a lot of money, dude. You could buy 32.5 challenge accounts with that. And I guarantee you could probably pass 5 way cheaper than $3,200. Yeah, boring trades. Today is a day that people got chopped up on. So yeah, if you got back your loss and up $100, call it a day, man. Honestly, yeah. Hey, do what we were talking about. Hit that X in the right hand corner and walk away, man. No problem, Nate. Luis, if you're trading with Tradeify and you like the end of day accounts, I'll go with Lucid. But if you want daily payouts and you can trade the trailing, then I'll go with TakeProfitTrader. It depends on you. Both are great firms. Hey, what's up, Cat Adventure? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good job, Matthew. Yeah, that's good, man. That's discipline, man. If you're at 5 racks, yeah. No, because there was days, I was up a good amount, and then I was like, oh, I'm running hot. Let me keep trading. Lose all the gains and go on tilt. So yeah, good job, good lockout, man. That's good discipline and willpower. Yeah, Chance, yeah. But at the beginning, it's better with prop firms because of the risk to reward. Like, not a lot of people can afford a live account. Yeah, that's why I like the prop firms. Like, whatever you put in, like, obviously don't go crazy and go into debt, guys. But, like, you know what I'm saying? You could get a 25K account for, like, under $100. Trade micros, you know what I'm saying? Start slow, get used to it. What's up, Clarence? That's what I'm saying, 444. Yeah, if anything above the buffer, you can withdraw and on 5 accounts. So, like, imagine $100 on 5 accounts. You're like, oh, that's nothing. Bro, I got $400 after the payout split in the bank. And that's why I like calling them cash ATMs, because they're literally cash ATM. Anything above the buffer, you got cash in the bank right there. Peace out, T-Shar. Have a good day, brother. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is good stream. They're a good firm. I'm not sure if they're Tradovate prop, though. Only some prop firms are. I know TakeProfitTrader is. The Tradovate prop has the manual lockout, so you can, like, lock out. Lock out. But, guys, if you can't lock out or you don't have the lockout button, really simple. You see this X right here? You literally just click the X and walk away. Way easier said than done, like I've said. But if you can do that and have the willpower and discipline, it'll save you. man, TopStep's good, but I'm focusing on other firms right now. They're a good firm. They still pay out, and you can have 5 accounts. Futures desk? I haven't heard too much about the futures desk. I've heard about them, but I haven't done too much research on them. John King, no, 50% off. 2 uses with code Casinator. So if you use code Casinator, you get 50% off on the Lucid. It ends April 1st, and then if you use the first 2 uses, then you get 40% off 5 uses with code Casinator. John. Hey, what's up, Simplistic Vids? How you doing, man? Haven't seen you in a while. Doing great, doing great. Oh, 100% chance, yeah. Yeah, I'd rather not do the funded account reset. It's way too expensive. Wait, actually, yeah, if you guys are resetting 5 TakeProfitTrader accounts, you could literally open a $3,000 live account. Because that's $3,250 to reset 5. You could literally open a $3,000 live account and trade like micros. Dude, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, Clarence, just keep it going, man. Yeah, nice and slow. Like that. Yeah, that's good that you're doing survivals, Clarence. And then trying to stack and, yeah, get your money back and your payouts. Yeah, hopefully get into green, man. Hey, there you go, 444. That's the mindset, man. That's a good mindset, yeah. Guys, once we pass the buffer and did all the hard work, we're going to go all in market open. Better yet, let's go CPI all in. NFP Friday. We're either getting a massive payday or nothing. Well, okay, we bottomed out right here. This is what I was worried about, was a bottom. I was looking for a reject update, like, around here. I was looking for a reject at this, like, right here, this 24,960 area. But it looks like it's breaking up and staircasing up and breaking levels up. So we might be looking for longs. Yeah, we're looking like we're making a reversal right here. Big signs of a reversal incoming right here. But we gotta be cautious if it's just a turtle soup and false breakouts back to the downside. Yeah. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, also daily loss limit helps a lot. You can have a daily loss limit. You can literally do it in this application settings right here on Tradovate. You can set a daily loss limit. Yeah, that's a big green candle coming in. No, yeah, Top Steps, they're still a good firm, man. Anti-man. Yeah, 5 winning days. You can get 5K payout cap per account. That's pretty good. That's $22,500 after the fees. I mean, that's a really good payouts. No, they're still a good firm. Yeah, 444, yeah. We gotta go through the cash ATM route, guys. Guys, 5 funded accounts. We gotta get these funded again. We need to get these funded back, guys. And if we pass these 5 and we still have this account, we can have an extra. Yeah, we can have a backup. 1 backup account. And yeah, guys, anything above the buffer is a cash ATM. Yeah, a lot of people lost today. Very tricky today. This week, yeah, this week has been pretty tough. This week has been kind of tough. A lot of choppiness. Luis, no trades yet. No trades yet. There you go, Jacob. Yeah, that was a nice reversal right there. Good looking out on that. That was a good trade, Jacob. Yeah, ICT. What is it? Turtle soup. Turtle soup. We don't trade ICT, but the only thing we trade ICT wise is turtle soup. We're looking for a turtle soup. Smart money, liquidity. Hunt the stops. False breakout. Back to the downside. But it looks like, yeah, we're coming up pretty strong here. So this looks like a reversal. March 11th? That's today. Jeez. Yeah, praise to everyone out there, man. Yeah, God bless everyone. Yeah, it's sad with all the war and all that. Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, the max payouts, yeah. People usually end in blowing accounts because they're not, like, satisfied with the amount. I mean, guys, $7,000 is $7,000. And the thing is, Tommy, you can still request a payout and get the payout and then trade it again after the payout to try to get more payouts. So it's like, just lock in the payout. It's like someone holding $7,000 cash in your face. Like, hey, do you want this, or are you trying to go for more? I mean, guys, $7,000. $7,000 is cash ready. Luis, no. The manual lockout, no. Because these are my stream-only accounts, so I'm only trading these on stream, so I'm not going to have a problem. Like, I'm not going to be trading these accounts after stream. There's some streamers who are like, oh, I traded off stream, and I went on till and I lost everything. Or, oh, I traded off stream, and I got $20,000 in payouts. It's like, I don't know. But these ones are dedicated stream-only accounts, so every single trade is documented live. Guys, this is the $2 account. Every single trade from the challenge to where it is now since the beginning of January 5th, was documented live. That's why I like having a stream-only set. Like, these accounts, stream-only. Yeah. Alex, you know, you're kind of right. The first... Guys, we've been noticing the last 2 to 3 weeks, my first trade of the day is a loss. But then we make it back. Alex, you might be onto something here. 444 evals, definitely micros. If you're on an eval 25k account, I don't know, maybe like 5 micros. Try that maybe lower or higher. I don't know, it depends on you. Papa Bear, I don't know about Silver Bullet. Maybe a Silver Bullet correlating with a turtle soup. A silver turtle bullet. A silver turtle bullet. Triple four. How many? How many are you trading? Great job, Tony. Great job, man. Yeah, simplistic greed gets the best of us. We're all working on it. I'm working on it. That's why I'm like happy now. Like when I'm like getting like $100 to $200 payouts, but you know, on 5 accounts, you know, that adds up. Great job, Tommy. 32 grand in profit. Woo hoo hoo hoo. Tommy, you making a good salary right there, man. God bless. Yeah, amen. Yeah, fade me, Chance. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Guys, on the first trade, whatever I do, we've been noticing it hits my stop loss and then it runs in my favor. So we should place my entry where my stop loss is. And if we did that on Monday, we would have caught a 90-point trade. Crazy. Yeah, it's only 5 TakeProfitTrader funded accounts. Yeah, only 5 funded at a time. I don't know why I bought an extra. I forgot I had this account, but yeah, that's why I got an extra, because I bought an extra. But these are challenges. Okay, we're coming back down here. Okay, I would look for a long. I think I still would look for a long. Enter on a pullback, not a breakout. Okay, if I entered a long right here, my stop would be what? Around a 65? I'd have a stop loss around, yeah, 65. So we would enter where our stop loss would be. Okay. Guys, enter where the stop loss would be. Because it hits our stop on the first trade and then runs in our favor. So we're trying to play mind games on the market. We're trying to trick the market makers. Now I'm scared. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. Yeah, new 5-minute. I would have taken a long at this 78. Yeah, we gotta wait for. Yeah, we wait for this 5-minute.
Order filled.
Okay, okay, I kind of FOMO'd in there. I kind of FOMO'd in there. That was a FOMO. That was a FOMO. That was a FOMO. But this trade could still work. Guys, we always lose on our first trade. We always lose on our first trade. We gotta break that. We gotta break that habit. The market makers are watching us, guys. They're pissed off at us. They don't like us trading with Tradovate. And MP is upset that we're trading with other firms. They want their money back. And they've been cutting out our streams. We're staying strong, champions. We cannot let the market makers ruin our stream. Champions. Yeah, just entering on a pullback long, looking for a push up to here, and then if we break this, we can see another gap up to the upside. This is a nice gap. Hold. Hold the line, guys. Hold the line, champions. All right, 15 points, champions. Nice. Okay. Nice. 20 points. Okay, not bad. 25 points, champions. 25 points, champions.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're gonna trim 4 micros right there because they rejected right here. So we trim 4 micros. We got 6 micros left. Stop loss to break even. Oh yeah, you guys can see my balance now. I moved it. So you guys can see the account and balance right here. Yeah, so I don't have to keep clicking on this thing. Come on, champions, go. This is a risk-free trade, champions. Risk-free. We trimmed 4 micros and got our stop at break even. I'm worried it's going to pull back right to our entry, though. That's what I'm really worried about. Because it could do that and we could just re-enter. That's why we trimmed. There's a lot of hesitation right here. Go, NQ, go, go, go. Champions, no. No. Bruh.
Order filled.
Jeez. That sucked. Well, we came back right back to our entry. Maybe a full exit up here. That was only 240 bucks. At our peak, we're up. Damn, we were up like 400 or 500 at our peak. We kind of gave back on that pullback. Yeah, we could have played that. That's what I was worried about. That's why I trimmed up there, is a pullback right back to our entry. No, this is the one account right here. These accounts we're gonna copy trade a challenge, but this account, this is a $2 account. He's solo dolo. Yeah, I mean, this is what I was saying. We could always just re-enter.
Order filled.
We could just re-enter. We got a new 5-minute though. We gotta be a little cautious. We could just scalp this low key. Like, look for 20-25 point plays and just like scalp it. Maybe. Our new 5-minute right here. I should have waited for that 5-minute close. That was a mistake on me. I should have waited for that 5-minute close. Yeah, we are coming back. Well, this could pop up back again up here. Ani! Dude, you were literally 1 tick away from winning. That's why I was like, oh no! Oh no! Yeah, that giveaway was crazy. Dude, people were getting so close and it kept spinning. Yeah, okay. The second trade, I definitely could have worked on my timing, 100%. Back to break even. We could definitely see a tap up to here still. That's a nice 20-point trade, Scalp. Yeah. Great job, John. Yeah, this $2 account, guys, we got $1,600. Guys, we were $2 from being liquidated, and we took this one account right here, this one account, to $1,631 in payouts after the fees. That's a freaking win. Let's go. Wow. See, a great entry would have been right here at this 24,967. That's an extra 10 points in our pocket. That's $200. That's a lot of money, actually. That 10-point difference. We're up 10 points right now. See, we would have been up 20. So that was my mistake on kind of FOMOing in on them. And got to wait on that second trade, waiting for the 5-minute close. Because we were really close to the next 5-minute open. Nice, 15 points.
Order filled.
We're just going to get a quick scalp. So we're up $400 on those 2 trades. We definitely could have played them better, but like this is a way better entry. And the fact that we almost got stopped down on that. And we've been seeing a lot of aggressive pullbacks. Like we would see a good move in our favor, like only like 15, 20 points. And then it would aggressively come right back to our entry and come to our stop. And those are big swings. Giveaway. Guys, if you go to stream on my stream tomorrow and Friday, I'll do 5 account giveaways. I'm only doing it for the people on stream because I appreciate you guys for always watching. Yeah, there's 134 people watching right now, so appreciate y'all as always for watching. But yeah, we'll do giveaways. So if you come to stream tomorrow and Friday, we'll do giveaways, 5 free accounts each day. We'll do different winners. So if you won the first giveaway yesterday, we had 5 winners. And you win again, we're unfortunately going to give it to another person because I want to keep it fair and have everyone like get 1 account each and not have someone get like 2 or 3 accounts, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys go to the stream tomorrow and Friday, we'll give 5 free accounts each day. Yeah, thank you for MyFundedFutures for giving us 15 free accounts to give away. So shout out to them. Guys, look at that. Look at that. We would have been in drawdown right away. Look at that. If we stayed in that trade, guys, we would have been in drawdown. Yeah, I want to keep it fair. So if you won the giveaway yesterday and you win again, unfortunately, I'll give it to someone else because I want it to keep it fair and square and have everyone have like a little, you know, like have everyone win. Okay, that was a good exit on that trade. Even if it was 10 points, I don't care. I don't care. Look, we would have been almost getting stopped out right here. See, this is what I talk about. Better entry is a 65. Yeah, NQ. Our new 5-minute right here. The free accounts is a rapid account with MyFundedFutures 50K account. It's free, no activation fee. So if you do win, you don't pay anything. And if you pass it on to a funded, then you get a free funded account. And you can get payouts with it. So, I mean, it's literally a free account. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're locked in, Ani. We gotta focus. We gotta grind, guys. We gotta get our lick back from last year. We gotta get our lick back. Profitability, yeah, with the funded accounts, ideal, but, you know, every now and again I go over it. But definitely setting it in the application settings will help a lot. Yeah, it sucks being an eval jail, man, but hey, you gotta go there and you gotta start there and grind your way back. It's all good, man. Thank you, Cat Adventure. Yeah, I try to keep it fair and square for everybody. That's why, like, on my past giveaways, some people are doing like multiple entries, like 2 to 3, and I'd only give them 1 entry. So now, like, if they do multiple entries, they're just automatically disqualified, and they get no entries because I want to keep it fair for everybody. And if you won yesterday, I'm like, and you win again, it's like, congratulations, but you know what I'm saying? I want to spread the love to other people as well, because everybody can win, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Vertex, tomorrow and Friday on stream. If you guys are on stream tomorrow, only for the people on my live stream, because I appreciate y'all and I support y'all, and you guys support me, so you guys are always continually watching the stream. So anyone that watches the live stream tomorrow that enters the pinned comment giveaway, not today, tomorrow and Friday, will be entered in the giveaway. Yeah, guys, we're at 28 likes and there's 115 people watching, so yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. We keep these live streams free Monday through Friday. And yeah, use my affiliate code Casinator. We can keep doing the free giveaways and everything. Last month we gave away 8 free accounts. This month we're giving away 15 free accounts right off the rip. Guys, that's $1,800 value we're giving away. There's no activation fee with the account, so if you pass, you don't have to pay anything. So it's a double win. And if you get payouts on that, man, you got free money basically. Oh yeah, the MyFundedFutures guys, yeah, they dropped the rapid account discount. It's $97, yeah. 2 uses, code Casinator. Simplistic, show up to stream tomorrow and Friday. There'll be 2 different giveaways. 5 free accounts each day. Yes, sir. Let's go, Vertex. Yay. Yeah, a lot of guys getting payouts here, and they just need a couple winning days. So good job, Vertex. I love to hear that. Like. Yeah, make sure to like. Subscribe. Subscribe now. Hey, there we go. We got 37 likes. See, we just jumped 10. Thank you, guys. Emil, look at this. Guys, Lawns are playing. Look at this entry right there. I was telling you, the 967, 965 area. No manches. These are not big moves, but these scalps add up. Propfirms. Wire and Prop? I've never heard of them. I never heard of that firm. Rapid accounts, David. Yeah, rapid accounts. Oh yes, rapid accounts. Yeah, guys, the rapid accounts. $97. This is the cheapest it's ever been. $38. No activation fee. You get 2 uses. You can pass in 2 days. Daily. It's literally like TakeProfitTrader. So it's actually a pretty good deal, actually, $97. Because that's cheaper than the TakeProfitTrader account, and you get a 90-10 profit split. And you can pass in 2 days. So, guys, the TakeProfitTrader is basically like that. I mean, the Rapid is basically like TakeProfitTrader. It's pretty nice. The question is, guys, are we going to reject right here and come back? Or are we going to actually break this? Because right now it's playing ping pong right here, and this is actually a That's like a 30-40 point range right here, guys. Yeah, Emil, I do like ranges. I do like range trading. Guys, we're only $120 away from the buffer. Champions. Should we short this? I mean, if we're playing the range, we would short right here. No. Visual Dreamers, I think if you make 10 grand in one day on the account, or you get consistent daily payouts and you're doing good and the risk team likes that, they'll move you to live. Sorry to hear that, Ruby. Yeah, CPI is very tricky. It's very volatile. Good morning, Daily Day Trade. What's up, everyone? 25,000 is actually a key level. You're 100% right. Dude, we're actually rejecting right off it again. Yeah, you're right, Tehudi. That is right. That is a key level, too, guys. The 25,000 right here. Where is it? Right there. It's kind of rejecting off there again. It just feels so sketch taking a short in the when the trend is bullish at the moment, and like right here, taking a long right here. It seems pretty sketch, but it plays out. I mean, sometimes they play out, sometimes they don't. It's trading, you know what I'm saying? You're not gonna have like a perfect, oh, we gotta short the tops and buy the bottoms. It's not like always like that. Easy predictions, Emil. Easy. Yeah, we're just playing the range. Yeah. I actually really like some ranges. Some ranges, dude, they're relatively simple to play, and they're like 30, 50 point trades, and those stack. Hey, at least you passed, Matthew. Good job on that. Even if it took 2 weeks, man, you still got a funded account now, so good job on that. Could this be it? Guys, could this be the breakout finally, or is it going to reject here again? I don't know. I literally don't know. Yeah, maybe we should. Yeah, you're right, Alex. We got 2 minutes now till the new hour candle, so we should probably wait for that. Because I don't want to be in a trade and when that new candle happens. We gotta be, I don't know. What's up, Bobby? Yeah, Mill, trust. Guys, you guys can trust me. I'm just some guy on the internet, guys. Guys, it was actually funny. Some guy was like, imagine I had like a lab coat on and like the doctor thing on my neck, and I had like a pamphlet or pamphlet paper in my hand, and I was pretending to be a doctor on YouTube. I could be like, oh, drinking water every day is really bad for you, blah 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 blah. But then, you know, I'm in a doctor's outfit and people see me, they're like, oh, this guy says drinking water is bad for you, maybe he's right. Yeah, and they would like listen to the guy, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, dude, we're actually breaking out. It's like, yeah, we're just some guy on YouTube, guys. Yeah, we're just documenting the journey. Guys, we're actually breaking out. Wait, this could be a false breakout. This could be a false breakout, guys. We gotta be cautious about that. We've been seeing those, guys. False breakouts. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta wait for that hour candle. It's in 33 seconds. Yeah, gotta be cautious, guys. Yeah, you can literally say random stuff, but if you look professional and you look like really confident, you could trick a lot of people. I mean, that's why a lot of people like fall for that stuff. Like imagine I was in a lab coat and everything, and I literally acted in like really confident, a doctor. I guarantee you, people would believe me. Like if I was just making stuff up, literally. All right, 2 seconds. Whole lot of nothing. Yeah, turtle soup. Turtle soup. False breakout. But this could be a breakout. I mean, we were making a reverse. We bottomed out, right? We had a sell-off, and then we bottomed out right here, and then it was making a reversal. So at the moment, the trend is still, I think, in the moment, bullish at the moment, I think. That's why I think it was sketchy taking a short right there, even though we're kind of playing the range. Oh, yeah. Good thing we didn't take a short there, guys. We would have got stopped out. Look at that. It's finally breaking out, it looks like. Trust, guys. Trust me. Trust me, guys. Trust. Yeah. Yeah, I realize, yeah, sometimes it's better to wait for the 5-minute or especially the hourly candles to close. But sometimes you'll have to move like a little bit after, not exactly at the hour. Yeah, Luis, they literally make their money from selling courses and Discord memberships and the WAP memberships. The WAP. Dude, guys, they can literally just get a Lamborghini. Literally a Lamborghini, have like a chiseled jaw, be really fit, be like, yeah, I just made $100,000 today day trading the Nasdaq market in my live Discord. Gonna drive my Lamborghini here in my new mansion with my brand new Rolex. You know, link in my bio. And then it's like a course that's like $5,000, and then like a monthly Discord that's like $200 or $300. Guys, it's all a scheme, dude. It's all allegedly a scheme, bro. Guys, yeah, imagine we just like said screw everything. You see Casinator with driving a Lamborghini. No more free live streams. I have a course now that's $5,000. I have a private one-on-one boot camp that's $20,000, and private boot camp, one-on-one private boot camp mentorship, and then I have a $300 a month Discord. People are like, "What the hell happened to Casey, bro?" Yeah, you guys gotta join my private exclusive one-on-one boot camp. Hey, link in my bio. Link in my bio, guys. Link in my bio. Yeah, guys. A lot of them also demo trade and fake their freaking broker statements. Bro, what's his name? What's his name? The guy that he just... What the heck is his name? Doyle. Doyle was just exposed for freaking paper trading. He literally said, I have no reason to cap. This is a live account. I have no reason to lie to you guys. And then it shows the demo. It literally shows demo. Oh my god. Right after he said that too, or some shit. Oh yeah. Guys. And also with my Discord and everything, I only trade ICT. Only trade ICT. I don't trade any of this anymore. I only trade ICT. I only teach and preach ICT. Alex, yeah, we would be done with the challenge in like 2 weeks. A month. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys use the code Casinator at checkout, you get 10% off. Yeah, you guys get a 10% off discount on my own membership. Yeah, I know. Yeah, guys, I have no reason to cap, guys. There's literally no reason. It's like, what he completely blurred everything too. I'm like, if you're in a live account, it doesn't even matter if you show the number, right? The Tradovate account number. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. I thought it did at first, but then I did research and like it doesn't matter. And they like blur completely everything, the day margin, because when you're in a live account, this number is moving up. It shows your day margin and all that. It depends how much you're trading and the account size. And then it shows like, yeah, your live balance, and then it has like a green check mark and like 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 7, 3, 4, some crap. Some random number. Yeah. Yeah, all these guys are getting exposed, guys. My gosh. Yeah, guys, I'm trading Asia Sesha in Asia. I'm 100% Asian now. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it did too. That's why I was blocking them at the beginning, like in 2024. But then I realized it doesn't mean anything. It's just a number. No, guys, yeah, you guys try to trade ICT. Yeah, you guys got to trade ICT with me in my private boot camp. Yeah. Yeah, Beyond Limits. Yeah. I mean, dude, I think he was allegedly making like 6 figures a month from his Discord, right? In courses. Like a lot of money. He could have literally put like 50 racks or even less in a live account and just trade that. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I don't know. It was pretty dumb. Well, that's good that he got it caught. Yeah, right here actually might be a good long entry. This 25,006 5 area. Yeah, right there might be a good entry. Guys, we just needed one good trade and we can get another payout. Yeah, he makes, like 6 figures on a frickin' Discord. So it's like, they don't even need to trade. It's like, they can literally just trade a small size on a live account and just be fine. That's crazy. Trading Asia in Asia. Oh yeah, he got the Lamborghinis. Gotta have the Lamborghinis. Oh, he's been around for 5 years. Dude, he still has the video up. It's the video that he got exposed. It's still up. Dude, wait, I can low-key find it. I can literally find playback speed. 1. We gotta do our expertise timing. He didn't even delete the video. Oh, damn, it was so fast. People got a screenshot of it. It's all over Twitter or whatever. Yeah, Luis, yeah, they literally make money by teaching people how to trade. No, you guys can literally go to his last video. It's literally there. You can just go and... Oh my god, it's so fast. But even if you go on 0.25, you can see it switch from demo at the 34-second mark on his last video. I'm trying to time this shit. Excuse my language. I can't click it. So someone has this. You can find a screenshot. Or you can look at it yourself. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you're making 6 figures a month, why would you want to trade a demo account anyways? You can literally just open like a... You don't even have to have 50 grand. You can just open like a 20 grand live account and just trade small. I don't get it. I don't get it. And it's like all these guys claiming to be profitable. You know what's the sad part, guys? The sad part is even though he got exposed and caught, some of his fans will still believe that he's still legit and still trust him and be like, no, it's just a mistake. He's real. He's legit. I'm still in his Discord. I trust him. It's like, hey, guys, you can lead a horse to water, but you cannot force the horse to drink the water. It's up to the horse to drink the water. You can't just be like, point a gun at the damn horse and be like, drink the damn water. You gotta be like, hey, horse, here's the water. If you want to drink the water, you can drink it. It's up to the horse to drink the water. We're providing the knowledge here. They just gotta learn and accept it or something. I don't know. They'll find out the hard way, I guess. Yeah. Guys, that's why. Hey, teach a man to fish. No, give a man a fish. He eats for a day. Teach a man to fish. He could eat for the rest of his life. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I have a course. I have the turtle soup course. Link in my bio. I also have my OnlyFans. I'm running a discount on my OnlyFans, guys. It's link in my description. 10% off. I have an OnlyFans course. I got a WAP Discord membership. This is just a one-time free live show. I just want to show you guys how it rolls. Yeah. Yeah, make sure to click my OnlyFans link, guys. It really means a lot. Thank you. Hey, how many of the 130 people watching think you actually like clicked on the description to check if I had an OnlyFans? Hey, we got you. We got you. OnlyFans, $9.99 a month. $9.99 a month. Yeah, it's just straight raw trading recaps. Straight raw trading recaps. Alright, guys. Peace out, guys. Have a good one, guys. Appreciate y'all as always. Remember, guys, make sure to be on the live stream tomorrow and Friday. We're doing 5 free account giveaways per day. MyFundedFutures. So only for the people in the live streams because I appreciate y'all. And you guys support me, so I want to support you guys. And it's only available for the live stream people. Yeah. We got him. We freaking got him. Oh, man. Very wise. Yeah. Yeah, guys, who needs to trade when you can just sell a course and trade ICT? Yeah. And guys, when you travel to like other countries, you could be like, oh, it's a business expense. It's for my YouTube. It's for my trading. It's my trading channel. It's a business expense. What in the money laundering is going on here? Alright, well, price is coming back down here. It looks like it's kind of falling right back in the range right here. Like, I was thinking a long right here, honestly. Along at this 25,000 area, but it looks like it's just breaking it. Luis, yeah, 100% when I first started. Yeah, when I first started this channel, I wasn't showing my face because I was nervous and scared. And then I was like, screw it, Case, you'll only live once. Because when people don't see your face on a channel, it's less trusting and less trustworthy, and they don't know who's talking. It's just a random person. Who knows? You could be like an AI freaking robot. I don't know. But you know, like, I don't know. You just gotta do it. I guess it's a lot easier said than done. 100%. Definitely the hardest part, Luis, is definitely starting. 100%. The hardest part is starting, but once you start, it's pretty easy. Like, I was very scared and nervous and hesitant to start these live streams. I was very scared and nervous. Like, I only got like 3-4 hours of sleep the night before because I was constantly thinking, oh, am I really? Because I told myself I was gonna go live to start the new year. And then I was like, oh no. Oh, what if I get made fun of? Well, what if I lose? What if I do this? And then I was like, I literally said, F it. You only live once, Casey, and just go for it. And I'm very happy I started the live streams, guys. I'm very happy. I really like that. Yeah, I really like these live streams, man. We're all growing one day at a time. And it's fun to do this. I like talking to you guys. Yeah, PTG, yeah, they're going to subscribe to my private OF. Yeah, you get a subscription from Michael Patzak. Thanks, Michael. Fresh on Cloud 9? Not really. I can see it working for people, though. Like, because these accounts, it doesn't really make... I don't need to do it because I only trade these accounts on stream. Yeah, trust me, guys. Trust me, bro. Guys, trust me. I don't show any broker statements. I blur everything. I only trade on a plain trading view chart. You don't even see my position. Trust me, bro. Buy my course, bro. Trust me. Yeah, Crowbar, you just gotta get used to it, man. One day at a time. No problem, Luis. Arabia, yeah. Really understand what you're doing wrong, and if you're passing evals, that's a good sign. But just take it slow, understand what you're really doing wrong, and truly try to work on that, man. You can, if you did it before, you could do it again in Arabia. Favorite prop firm. I don't have like a particular favorite, but I have my top 4 or 5, like MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, Lucid. Those are the top dogs. John King, no, my OnlyFans is in there, you guys. It's in my description. It's in there. You just gotta scroll down a little bit. I'll see you tomorrow, Luis. Have a great day, brother. Yeah, Warhawk. Yeah, if you're very hesitant copy trading, don't copy trade. Honestly, it's more stressful, especially if you're not prepared. Just start with one account, man. Honestly, trade one account at a time. Like, let's say you have 3 funded, you could just trade one at a time. Take like 1 or 2 trades per account and call it Warhawk. It's less risky that way. Where if you put 3 accounts into one and you're not used to copy trading, especially, you're gonna be like, your adrenaline, you're gonna be more emotionally like susceptible and all that. You're gonna be thinking differently. It's not good. So yeah, just trade one at a time if you're not ready. Oh yeah. Sign up for my broker, brother. Yeah. And it's like an offshore, like sketchy crypto forex broker. Dude, I wonder how much those brokers are paying those influencers, man. Probably like a lot. Same thing with like the gambling sites. Like a lot of streamers, they started like streaming gambling. I'm guaranteed those gambling sites pay them like a crap ton of money. Honestly. Like a lot. Like FU type of money. Crazy. Yeah, guys. OnlyFans link. I really wonder how many people actually checked to see if I had it. Link in my bio, guys. Link in my bio. Oh yeah, right here. See right here. If you scroll down on my description of the live stream or any video, it says my OnlyFans link, and it has the link right there. OnlyFans. Yeah, you can click the OnlyFans link, guys. We have a raw footage of trades, raw trade recaps. Yeah. I heard the Lucid payouts are extremely fast. Like extremely fast. That's why I'm trying to test it out myself, guys. We gotta get our lick back with Lucid. I lost my Flex accounts, but we can get our fundeds back and get a payout. Hey, that's good, right? Investments. That's good that you haven't any problems with that, man. Honestly. What's up, Zach? Free indicators? Which one, Crowbar? Nice, Zach. Yeah, Zach, good job, man. I'm proud of you, brother. Javier, I think it's a bank transfer. I'm pretty sure. David, yeah, but you have to pay extra for those. I'm not giving that for free. You gotta pay extra. So you have to subscribe to my OnlyFans, and then you have to pay extra to see that type of content. So, yeah, you gotta pay to play. Yeah, Crowbar, you're like, damn it, I paid good money for that. Alright. We are kind of bouncing right here. We can maybe look for a long here again, maybe. We took 2 longs up here. Looks like it's just forming a range. The rapid accounts are they're basically like the TakeProfitTrader accounts. So if you're used to the TakeProfitTrader and trailing drawdown on the funded, then I think they're good because you can have 90-10 profit split, and what is it? On the rapid accounts, 90-10 profit split. You could pass in 2 days. They're really good, honestly. If you're used to the trailing drawdown, I only recommend if you're like more advanced and can trade the trailing drawdown. If you're not used to trailing drawdown, I wouldn't recommend it. Karthik. Yeah, I like that with Lucid too. Is there's no activation fees, guys. One-time fee, no monthly fee. There's a lot of benefits with Lucid. End of day accounts, no trailing. No problem, Zach. Anytime, brother. Yeah, Zach. We have a OnlyFans link in my bio, link in my description, guys. 10% off, limited time only, and soon. Use code Casinator. No, use code FeetPicks. FeetPicks. No problem, Javier. Great job on that payout, brother. Great job, man. Yeah, Zach, focus on the Lucid because the trailing drawdown is tough on TakeProfitTrader. So yeah, go to the Lucid, man. Their end of day accounts. Yeah, no problem, Karthik. Yeah, go to end of day account, guys. Like MyFundedFutures has good flex accounts, Lucid good accounts, Tradeify select accounts. They're all pretty good. Thanks, John. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, we're the best OnlyFans trader out there, guys. You guys are all watching it live. No, yeah, if you had a... Yeah, people pretend to be like AI people. It's kind of scary, honestly. They literally pretend to be like an AI girl or something. So sketch. AI is too scary, man. Too scary. Yeah, Zach, focus on the Lucid right now because of the trailing drawdown with TakeProfitTrader. And then, what is it? And once you get some payouts with your Lucid account, Zach, then yeah, go back to TakeProfitTrader, brother. Zach, I know you want to go. I know you want your revenge with TakeProfitTrader too. I know that. We're trying to get our revenge back with Lucid. Lost my damn flex accounts, bro. I got so tilted. Do not worry. We will get it back. We shall get it back. Yeah, 100%, Zach. Guys, we're kind of just bouncing right here again. I guess that's a big area right here. It's 970, 24,970 area. Huh. Very interesting. Yeah, Zach, it'll make you slow down. Yeah, have a daily loss limit, Zach. Trade smaller size. Because you need 5 winning days anyways. Yeah, that's a good mindset, Zach. I like that. Champions. Champions, we could get a payout today, champions. We could get a payout today, champions. We're at $1,800. We need to get this to $2,000. So we're only $120 away, guys, and we can get a payout. Anything above $2,000, we can withdraw. We're putting this $2 cash ATM to the max work overtime. He is putting in overtime champions. Matthew, if you really don't know, man, the best thing to do, I do know, is stay cash, man. Cash is a position, brother. Honestly, yeah. Guys, if you don't know what's going on, you don't know where it's going to go, the best thing to do is not do anything, literally. Stay cash, honestly. It'll save you. Yeah, it's a little tricky right here. It is. Nice, Zach. Yeah, you can work as 50%. Zach, you got the flex accounts, right? Hey, thanks for joining 4516. I do simple stuff, just breakouts, break and retest, bounce trades, and going with the trend, all with price action and levels. What's up, Godplay? What's up, brother? Sorry you lost those evals, man, but at least you're green on the funded. So that's good that you're green on the funded. But hey, yeah, it's a CPI today was very tricky, yeah. Nice, Zach. Yeah, the flex accounts are nice. The pro accounts are actually not bad either. They're not bad. I was looking at them. They're not too bad because you can pass them one day. As long as you can stand under 40%, you can get a payout in 3 days, which is actually not bad. But I still like the flex for, like, especially if you're a beginner. They're the cheaper too. Good job, Fantasy. Yeah, there's no reason to force it, especially on a CPI day, man. If you don't see a setup, don't take it. Thank you, Javier. Means a lot, man. Yeah, I'm just, yeah, I don't know. I learned to slow things down this year. It helps. It's definitely more harder with the TakeProfitTrader because of the trailing drawdown. But you could definitely get around it. But yeah, that's good you went to those firms, Javier, because Lucid and TradeDay are end-of-day accounts, which is nice. A lot better to trade, guys, end of day. So good job, Javier. How do you... Yeah, I trade a 5-minute chart. I cannot... How do you trade a 15-second? That's crazy. I was looking at the 1 minute last week, I think, or this week. I was like, nah, I can't trade that. I can't trade a 1 minute. It's too fast for me. I don't know how you trade a 15-second, honestly. That's crazy. 15-second. Dude, imagine a 15-second chart on market open. Oh my gosh. I would be going ballistic. I would be going like eyes glued, all crazy. Yeah, that would be really... Oh man, I don't know how you do that. Dude, you're seeing like massive candles. What's up, Kinko? What's up, man? Yeah, you definitely gotta be on some type of caffeine product. 2 shots of vodka. Yeah, Brandy, it's very choppy today. Very choppy. Especially for CPI. We've been chopping this whole week. Very interesting price action. Five minute. I just look for areas like a bounce. Like a bounce trade right here would have been nice. We took 2 trades right here, longs up to the upside. How do I explain? I don't know. I just always trade the 5 minute. If I see my setup, I'll take it. If not, I'll just stay cash. 15. How do you guys trade at 15? I don't even want to look at it, but I'm gonna look at it anyways. 15-second. Oh my gosh. How do you do How do you do the 15-second? I don't even know. There, here we are. Yeah. Jeez, bro. What the fuck? It's moving so fast. How do you trade that? No, respect to you guys. I don't even know how you trade that. Seeing it move this, yeah, like, no. Seeing it move that, like, what is that? No, I'm getting a headache. I'm literally getting a headache looking at that, bro. I don't know how you guys trade that. How do you guys do that? It's moving so... That's literally giving me a headache. Dude, I cannot imagine that at market open. I would literally be having like a giant ass migraine. I don't know how you guys do that. It's moving... Because they're not even big moves and it's just moving so like quick. And I'm like... No. Yeah, I'm not trading like, nah, I can't trade. No, I can't even trade. I don't like the 1 minute even. I like the 5 minute. I've always liked the 5 minute. Yeah, I don't know how you guys trade that. That's crazy. I mean, if it works for you, 100%, no, keep going doing it. But like, for me, I'm like, I'm literally getting a headache looking at that. Yeah. Yeah. How do you guys, nah. Nice. No, yeah, 100%. If you guys do good with it, yeah, all props to you guys. Yeah, definitely taking some Advil after that session. Tylenol. Oh, no. Yeah, Nate, agree, yeah. I like the 5 minute, man. Because you can still... I don't know, it just... You can still see good moves on it. 15... This is the 15 minute. Damn, this is pretty choppy. 15 minute chart. Blah. 4... Damn, look, the 4 hour is pretty choppy, too. Yeah, we're just choppy right now. Yeah, 1 hour, same thing. Look at this. This is choppy. Adderall? Jeez. Unreal. Oh, man. Well, I'll be right back. We're back. Hello, Gato. Bum bum bum. Yeah, trades by Matt. Yeah, he's a big guy in our space. I watched his videos when I first started trading with propfirms, his Apex run. You guys remember that? Him and Nutty Bar, I was watching a lot for the Apex videos. Because I was so fascinated by like the 20 accounts. And trying to get a payout with the 20 accounts. And we ended up getting multiple payouts with the Apex accounts. Yeah, I used to watch their videos a lot. I haven't watched a lot of trading YouTubers in a while. We're back. What's up, Alex? We're back. The cat. Look at the cat. She's just chilling. Yeah, I think we're just popping right back into the range. Yeah. Oh, cat. Oh, no, you can't drink the water. Alright, we might see a bounce right here, but this is kind of a big red candle coming in right here. Yeah, this is an aggressive candle coming in here. I normally would have taken a long right there at that 70, but yeah, this is a big red candle coming in. We've been seeing random big candles lately in like later in the day. Like we've seen that like 400 points on Monday. And I think we saw big moves yesterday too. Like look at this red candle. It's just so random. Yeah, Alex, yeah. No longing. Yeah, she's very friendly. She's nice. She hasn't laid right here in a while. The other cat lays here a lot. But she usually doesn't lay here unless she wants attention. Yeah, what is this candle? Dude, this is a 100-point candle. I think Trump is probably talking or something. Damn. Damn! Dude, it literally just bounced at the low of day. Dude, imagine you took a long right here and it just instantly shot up 100 points. Yeah, let's get that panda. Let's get that payout. Oh, we're breaking low today. Yeah, yeah, if you guys are catching shorts, you guys are paying. You guys are getting paid. Yeah, good thing we didn't take a long right here. We would have got wrecked. Hey. Hey. Hey, you. Hey. Hey, you. Nice, Alex. Yeah, I love dogs, too. Dogs are great. Well, we're just 130-point candle. We got a new 5-minute in 1 minute. Definitely would need to size down, I would assume, because this is a big candle. Yeah, Alex, low day, you're right, man. FBI, open up. Nice, Ruby. $20 seconds to the next 5-minute. Thank you, Text Trades. No problem, man. I didn't see it, Goth Boy. No, I didn't see it. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah, you're gonna fall, buddy. Missy. You guys can probably hear her. Can you hear her purring? She's next to the mic. Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of random, like, news tweet candles later in the day. Cats, yeah, cats are pretty cool. Well, same with thing with the dogs. They all have their own personalities and they're all unique in their own ways. Right now, she's rubbing her head against the monitor. FBI warned police Iran drones to West Coast. Shit, guys. We gotta go in the bunker. Alright, we got Armageddon, boys. Let's go. Gotta get the canned food, canned everything. Load up the guns. Let's take shelter. If we were in Armageddon, I just camp at the lake. You just catch the fish and that's your food. Lock and load, guys. Lock and load. Well, if the drones were coming to us, we would shoot them down pretty damn quick. You wouldn't want to mess with the U.S. We would shoot them down pretty quick. No gaming. No. I used to play like Fortnite and Call of Duty when I was younger, but dude, she's literally rubbing herself on the mic. Sorry if you hear the purring. She's literally rubbing her head on the mic and purring. Now she's playing with the mic. Such a baby. Iran Trump. yeah, we're out bass fishing in the lake, and there's freaking drones coming. Ah, shit. Definitely got a fish in the ghillie suit. And the ghillie suit guys got full camoed out. Yeah, the USA, they're ready to go. They're like, hey, send them our way. Say less. Not the bunker. Well, now I'm kind of worried to trade because the news. But we're very close to a payout, so if we see a really good setup, we gotta take it, maybe. Hey. Big baby. Because, guys, we're only $120 away from the buffer. $120, guys. This $2 account is fiending for a payout. Right now, we're kind of near at the bottom of the day right here at this bottom range part. I literally have no idea where it wants to go now. Like, it could bounce and come back up, or it could just continue to make a new low. I literally have no idea. Guys, full port short right here. Full port short. Oh, another cat's coming. Oh boy. He's coming out under the bed. The big honcho's coming out. He hears all this purring and stuff. He's like, hey, what's going on here? Andy, my first prop firm I got payout was like 2 years ago. Top Step. Top Step, yeah. Top Step, Michael Patuk. Yeah, 5 mini short, all in. Win or lose. New 5 minute right here. Very interesting. FBI drones, California. Champions. Sup, Rex? Sup, brother? They're okay, Andy. They did change quite a bit. but like with the overall firm, but they're still good. But I'm with other firms right now. Guys, where do you think we're going? You think we're bullish or bearish? Because I literally have no idea where we're going right now. I literally have no idea. Yeah, where do you guys think we're going? I think it could go either way. I don't know. I think the new Apex update is better than the old update. Yeah. What's up, Georgina? What's up, man? How are you doing? Dan, is it your first time buying with them? I'm doing good, Georgina. How you doing? Bearish? Damn, we got 86% bearish, 14% bullish. Peace out, Zach. Have a great day, brother. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Appreciate you as always, man. Have a good one. Well, right now it's kind of forming a reversal right here if it still continues. Because this was just a news candle dump, and then the buyers could just step in and then come back right up to here. That's what we got to be cautious about. Thank you, Zach. Dan, yeah, I think if it's your first time, you might have to do a KYC, Dan. KYC. Guys, we gotta spread the love one day at a time. Remember, guys, Jesus loves you guys. I got 210 of these. I'm gonna start placing them around. I got them the other day. We're gonna start placing them around like the gym, maybe like the supermarket, anywhere we go. Church. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I got one in my car now. I actually got like 20 in my car in the glove box. So if I'm like out and I'm like I want to place it somewhere, I can just go in the glove box. I got 210 of them, Dan. It's literally like a small village. We literally have like a small village of like 210 of those the little Jesus pieces. It wasn't expensive at all. It was like $20 on Amazon. Free overnight delivery. $20. That's so cheap. Guys, $20 is like what, a lunch? What is that? Yeah, what is that, a sandwich nowadays? One sandwich. Yeah, we gotta make it tricky. That's why I'm staying cash, because I literally have no idea where it wants to go. I think it could go either way. That's what I'm thinking. 24% bullish, 76% bearish. Oh, yeah. VL? Sandwich is sandwich, but 210 Jesus pieces is 210 pieces of sharing of love, man. Think about it. One sandwich or 210 spreads of joy. I don't know, man. Why not both? Why not get the sandwich and the Jesus pieces? Sandwich is a sandwich. What? This is what I was worried about, guys. Reversal right here. Just a massive dump because of news, and it just gets bought right back up and falls right back into this range area. Look, guys. False breakout. Make a new low. Think it's going to keep going lower. Reverse on up. I don't know. Huh. Wow, guys. What's going on here? Playing ping pong right here. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we're getting some pops right there. Guys, one good trade. One good trade. Ha! Nice try, Jasmine. Nice try. Now, we'll do the giveaways tomorrow. And Friday, yeah. Guys, make sure to show up on stream on tomorrow and Friday, and I'll do giveaways. Only for the people in the stream. Only for the people in the stream. Yeah, 5 free accounts each day. We're giving away 15 free accounts this week. We gave away 5 yesterday. I don't know. I don't know where. I don't know. I think more long at the moment. I think. I don't know. Yeah, you tried, Jasmine. It's all good. Hey, nice try. Nice try, Jasmine. Nice try. Yeah, surprise giveaway for the real ones. Yeah, we still got 100 people watching. That's pretty good. Yeah, we were getting like 120, 130 viewers. That's pretty good today. Yeah, that's more than usual. We usually get like 110. Yeah, 100, 110 recently. But yeah, today was pretty good. So thank you guys. Dan, the giveaway? Just show up to the stream tomorrow and you can enter the form. Yeah, Jasmine, lock out. I mean, you're up $400. I mean, if you're up what, $388, you're up 400. Just call it a day. Jasmine, if you try to make that $12 and you lose, oh, you're going on tilt. Let's go, Georgina. Yeah. Nah, you can do whatever you want. 92.90, it's trading. You can go long, short, whatever. We all have our different opinions and different things. There's no right or wrong answer. That was a pretty aggressive candle. Very aggressive. Yes, sir, Dan. Always, yeah. I mean, it's a free chance, yeah. It's only for the people in the giveaways, so we only get like 100 viewers, so if every 100 person joined, that'll be like, you get a 5% chance of winning. Yeah, call it, Jasmine. Good job. Hey, 92.90, your short's paying right now. At the moment. Yeah, it's paying well. See? I was thinking longs more. And you were thinking shorts. And look, if you're in a short, it's paying. That's the thing with trading, guys. But it's just like the things like when this happened a couple times. People were like, I had a very long bias and I took like a long, for example, and then I got stopped out. And some guy was like, no, I told you to go in short. See, I told you, bro. I'm right. You suck, bro. Why didn't you listen to me? I'm like, dude, buddy, relax. It's like flipping a coin. Hey, I think heads is going to be it. And you're like, no, it's going to be tails. And we flip the coin and it's tails. And you're like, see, I told you, Casey. It was going to be tails. You suck, bro. Why didn't you listen to me? It's like, dude, buddy, relax. It's a law of large numbers. Everybody has their own like opinions and how they think of trading. And that's good. We want that. Cat's right there. You guys thinking shorts? Yeah, everyone's thinking shorts right now. 65% bearish, 35% bullish. No, yeah, it is true, yeah. It happened a couple times where I had like a short and long bias, and I would take it and it would get stopped out. And then the guy would like start screaming in the chat saying like, see, I told you, Casey, bro, why didn't you listen to me? You suck, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, dude, buddy, relax. You're not that guy, pal. Hey, you're not that guy. It's literally the same concept of flipping a coin, guys. I think it's going to be heads. You think it's going to be tails. It's tails. Oh, see, I told you so, see. But then what happens on the next 100 trades overall? You know, it's a completely different story. Yeah, Tahuti, yeah. Everyone's thinking short. Yeah, we just rip all in long. That's what I'm saying, Dan. It's like, buddy, are you like trying to sell a course or what's going on? It's good to have your own biases, but it's like when you have a bias and then you like talk shit and be like, see, I told you so. Look at me, I'm the best trader in the world. You suck. Ha 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 ha. It's like, all right, okay, buddy. It's good to have that I think bullish or you think bearish and I think bearish, you think bullish. You know, that's good that we have that. Because if everyone was the same, it wouldn't be good. But it's just like, yeah, when they start talking shit and thinking they're like the best trader in the world because they were right this one time. Whoa. Whoa, hey there, buddy. Whoa. Hey, everybody watch out. Whoa, we got a market maker in the chat. Guys, I'm not seeing a trade, honestly. But then I'm like, we're so close to the buffer. So I don't know. I don't want to force it. Jasmine, yeah. You're showing them the chart and lines and see, like, yeah, I entered here. Risked this amount, made this amount. Blah, 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 blah. And they're like, yes. Yes, Jasmine. Good job. Yes. Yeah, because sometimes my mom watches from the Philippines, and it's funny. She says she'll watch, and she always likes, and she's like, I don't know what's going on, but I like the streams. And she says every time there's a poll, she always votes for it to go up. So, yeah, shout out to the fam, everyone. It's funny. And then when the first time we started playing the Champions song, she was like, what's going on? She's like, why is everyone screaming champion? Why is he screaming champions? Yeah, we got a new hour candle right here, 4 hour. You think it's gonna tank still? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. I literally don't know. Everyone thinks it's gonna short. We are hesitating a lot right here. Right here, we're doing a lot of hesitation right here. That's what I'm saying. It could go either way. Peace out, Beyond Limits. Appreciate it as always, brother. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Stefan, some prop firms do, yeah. I heard Lucid just added it. Someone said in the chat earlier that they just added it. I think Funded next. Probably a couple other firms. What's up, Alex? What's up, man? It's just hesitating so much, right? There's a lot of fight right here, so I would like a clear direction out of here. Patience pays, everyone. Patience pays. Patience pays. Mamba? I don't know. I never tried the news trading strategy, so I can't really speak on it, but everybody and their mom loves full porting challenges during CPI and NFP. Everyone loves, they get so addicted. They're like, oh my gosh, it's CPI tomorrow, guys. We're gonna get so much accounts. But I feel like a lot of them blow the accounts too, so I never tried it, so I can't speak on it. But there are some people in here that did the news trading strategy and they passed the accounts. Like I said, I can't really speak on it from my experience. Payouts! Come on, NQ. Getting some payouts. Good job, Dan. Yeah, it's pretty tricky right now, so that's good that you're staying cash, man, honestly. If I'm being honest right now, I'm not seeing anything. That's why I haven't taken a trade in the last hour. I literally don't see anything, and I did not like that news candle. It's just playing ping pong right here. Yeah, Chaz, yeah. With the news, we've been seeing, very wicky price action. This was just a random, it looks like it's going to bullish push up, then just rejected hard, then just wicked right here. Now it's just playing ping pong right here. I'm not sure, Nate. I'm not sure. Yeah, the price action has kind of bad recently, yeah. This week was pretty tough. Very choppy. Very choppy. Nice, Chai. Good job, Chai. That's a great day. Yeah, you're pretty close to passing, Chai. Alright, we got a new 5 minute and 15 seconds. NQ, what are we doing here, buddy? Hey, what are we doing here? Huh? What's going on here, buddy? Dude, am I really not going to take a trade? Well, I mean, we took 2 trades, 2 winners. I'm not complaining. We're up $400. Yeah, I'm not complaining. But what I'm saying is, guys, we're $120 from the buffer. I don't know. Where do you guys find out this new stuff? I don't even know. We have unemployment tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. and then we have news on Friday, 5:30 and 7 a.m. PST. This was a really bad CPI day today, guys. Like, really rough. Stab short. Peace out, Dan. Have a good day, brother. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Financial juice. Thank you. Juice. We got the juice. Warning. Yeah, I would like to get a break either direction, honestly. I don't care long or short. How do I a clear direction? Right now it's just playing ping pong right here. Hey, what are we playing tennis over here, buddy? Come on, huh? Come on. Dude, this is the weirdest, crappiest CPI I've seen in a while. A lot of people lost today, but some people won pretty good today. A lot of reversals and a lot of wicks. Huh. Maybe it pops up to 63 or 69. 960, 24,960. Look for a short, maybe. What's up, RB Trades? Yeah, we're up like 430 bucks. Not bad, not bad. The reason I want to take another trade, otherwise I'd be done for the day, is because we're $120 away from the buffer. So basically, if we profit, we can take a payout. We just gotta be smart. You gotta be sneaky. You gotta be quick. The VWAP. Yeah, a lot of people in here use the VWAP. Okay, we're gonna get a sell. Looks like. Ugh. Guys, we went fishing yesterday after stream. Caught a 4-pound bass. I'm stoked. 4-pounder. I haven't caught a bass in a while. 4-pound hog. Early spring hogs, catching early spring hogs at the lake. Oh, it was pretty funny. When I was like, when I got to the lake and I was walking, there was a guy, like watching the view, and then he saw me walking with the rods. He goes, "Oh, I gotta go fishing today." I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Just got out of work, gotta catch some bass." He goes, "Yeah, bro." He's like, "I love that. Go get him, brother." I was like, "Yeah." I was like, I love the enthusiasm, man. Guys, I still have not found a way to explain my job. Because I hate telling people I day trade. I don't like it. Because everyone thinks it's either gambling or it's a scam. And the only people that really understand it are people that day trade. I still have not found a way to say I day trade. This happened like couple weeks ago or something. Someone asked me what I did, and I knew it was going to happen. I was like, oh, I don't know. I do online cam stuff. online cam stuff. This is online with the webcam. Whether we're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nah, I'm an independent contractor, guys. Or I'll just say I'm unemployed. I don't know. Anything but day trading. Oh, I'm a certified trader, guys. I'll just say I'm a certified individual. Yeah, I'm a certified accountant. Alright, that's good that we're getting a sell-off here. I would like to find a clearer direction out of this ping-pong range. I'm a certified data analyst. My boss is Michael Patzak. Yep, Michael Patzak. He's my boss. Yeah, I gotta find a good way to say I day trade. And dude, the worst is like literally like a couple people ask me too when I find out I day trade. A couple of times they would say, "Oh, what's your biggest winning day? Like, how much did you make in your biggest day?" Or, "Oh, if I give you $1,000, we split the profits, I'll give you 10%." I'm like, dude. I'm literally like, oh my gosh. That last question I'm like, brother, it's not like that. Oh, if I give you 10 grand and we split the profits, I'll give you 10%. Hey, we just buy with that 10 grand, we just buy like 100 evals. We just buy 100 evals and try to get some massive payouts. Yeah, we do have a bearish forming. Yeah. Czar Trader, yeah, that's good. Risk analyst, yeah. I don't know. I'm in my pajamas, drink coffee from my desk. I don't know. Risk management, yeah. We are risk managers, yeah. I'm a max allocated risk. I'm a max allocated risk manager. Yeah, I'm a max allocated risk manager. Oh, what does that mean? Oh, I day trade with prop firms. Yeah, I'm a funded trader. Yeah. I'll pull this out my wallet, guys. When they ask me what I do for a living, I'll pull this out my wallet. But hey, certified funded trader, buddy. Max allocated right here, buddy. Hey, you see this? Certified funded trader, buddy. Hey, we're in the big leagues now, buddy. Hey, I'm kind of a big deal here. Okay, relax, buddy. Ooh, yeah, we do have to tell them we're on OnlyFans. We do OnlyFans as part of our income. That is true. That is a big part of our income, guys. Work home from a consultant? Yeah. Yeah, we're retired. Yeah, I'm retired. Yeah, I used to be in the street game a lot. Retired from that. Yeah, Kinko, yeah. Those are funny ass videos. I love making those videos. It's like all the ladies, like, oh my gosh, who's that? Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh, who's that guy? And it shows me in a Top Step hat with a certificate. Yeah. Ladies, please, settle down, please. Damien, yeah, we got challenges going too. We got some 50Ks running. Damn, I didn't even trade these challenges yet today too. Dude, I think we're kind of just bottoming down here and just bouncing up here. I don't know. Huh. Guys, if I don't see a trade, I'm not gonna take it. Honestly, we might have to save this just for tomorrow. Honestly, we're only $120 away. That's why I'm thinking about taking another trade. But I am literally not seeing anything. Literally, we're up $430. That's really good. Zard Trader, you trade in the gym? Order filled. You're hitting a set of bench press and you just hear order filled. Oh, imagine you're in mid set and you just hear stop filled. You just do like 20 more reps. What's going on here? NQ. Ever since this big news dump, we just been doing weird stuff. Yeah, troll the gym bros. Zard Trader, you gotta show up in your Honda Fit too. Zard Trader, yeah, show up in your Honda Fit. Trade in the gym with your laptop, order filled. Oh yeah, they're gonna get pissed. They're like, hey, who's this guy showing up in the Honda Fit day trading, huh? Hey, we got a guy in the big leagues here, buddy. We're in the big leagues now. We're part of the big dogs. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, certified funded trader, buddy. Get on my level. You always got to call them buddy, too. Dude, they hate it when you call them buddy. Hey, buddy, relax. Buddy. Guys, what are we... I think we're just going to bottom out here again and just bounce. Look at this. It's so scary to take a long here, though, honestly. It's so sketch taking a long there. It really is. Guys, I think I might not take a trade, honestly. I'm literally not seeing anything. Yeah, if I don't see anything in like 10 minutes, I'm just going to call it, honestly. I'm literally not seeing anything. The only reason I want to take another trade is because we're only $120 away from the buffer. Oh, our new 5-minute right there. Yeah, Chance. We've been bouncing here a lot. We're doing this weird range crap. NQ, what up? I want to see how it reacts up here. This 24,950, 955 area, 960. Because we did reject there. What? Guys, I think we should listen to our own advice and be like, if we're thinking about calling it, and I've said this numerous times to other people in the chat, if we're thinking about calling it and we're up on the day, maybe we should call it. So, yeah, you know what? I'm going to have the discipline and willpower to walk away. We're only $120 away, and that's great momentum into going into tomorrow. Because imagine I take another trade and I lose 20, 30 points. I mean, yeah, 20 points. I'd be down. I'd be break even on the day. Only up $100. So, yeah, we're going to have the discipline to walk away. I'm not going to force it. Over the last hour and a half, I have not seen anything. And it's doing this weird mumbo-jumbo crap. And I'm like, I literally have no idea where it's going. So maybe that's a good reason to call it a day and not try to force a payout, because I was trying to like, oh, let me take another trade to get a payout. We can have a good momentum into going to tomorrow. Because if I lost this $400 today, I'd be pretty annoyed. Yeah. I think we're gonna have the discipline to walk away. I'm literally not seeing anything, really. Yeah, you guys are right. Yeah, we're up $400. Yeah, $430. That's good. That's great progress on 2 trades. They're small trades, but they add up. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Make sure to come to our live streams tomorrow and Friday. We're doing a giveaway only for people in the live streams. 5 free accounts each day. 10 more free accounts. And yeah, be sure to join the live streams for tomorrow, guys. And yeah, it'll be nice for you guys. And hopefully we can get this account to pay out again. Yeah, I'm not going to force it. I'm literally not... See, look, what is this? What is this wick? Like, there's so many wicks and small range reversals. It's not worth it, in my opinion. I'm not going to trade it. So, yeah. So, appreciate y'all as always. God bless everybody. Have a great, amazing day. We're going to have the discipline and willpower to walk away and just call it a day. We're up $400. This is great momentum for going into tomorrow. Yes, sir. So, God bless y'all. Have a great, amazing day. Go to the gym. Go work out. Go outside. Go on a walk. Do whatever. And yeah, so peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Make sure to join for the giveaways. And yeah, peace out.